Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create panel stacks. First we need to go into our panel settings, which can be found in the settings section of the ribbon bar. We can also go to the Steelwise settings menu bar, and alternatively we can type in the pset shortcut alias into the command bar. And this will bring up the panel settings dialog box. And under the panel stacking options, we have a list of parameters that we can use to control our panel stack. And so for the purpose of this, I've changed my maximum height to 800 millimeters. And this is just so we can get multiple stacks. And so I can't change anything right now. So I'm just going to click cancel because my settings have already been saved from previously. So we need to add our panel stacks, and to do this we can use the panel stack command. So this can be found under the Steelwise panel section under layout. So we can see here is panel stack. Alternatively, I can type in the pst shortcut alias into the command bar. And so with this command active, I need to select my panels and press enter. And then I need to place a location where I want my stacks to be. So I'm going to place it over here. And so here we can see we've got 3 panels stacks over here. So I want to edit these stacks. So I want to move panels from this stack to these 2 over here. And so to do that, we can just simply use the move command and move our panels. And you'll notice as I'm moving it, everything gets updated automatically. So we'll see here we've got our panel stack 3, sorry. And we'll move it over here. You'll see this one gets updated. The weight gets updated automatically. And if I move this one over here as well, you'll see it gets updated automatically as we go. And that one gets deleted automatically as well. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.